I think technology can enable scouting, especially when you're looking at hiring, which is very, very niche. It's probably, and today the talent pool is a global talent pool. So you don't know where those candidates are. And today you're not really looking at, your city for hiring. You're really looking at that skill. So whether that skill is in your city or in another city or in another country, or probably that skill might not be available as a full-time skill, but maybe it's available as a freelancing skill, right? So I think the recruiter is very open today. Eventually the business needs to carry on and I need that particular skill. So technology enables me. It would have been impossible for me to know that that skill is available in in a pockets in some particular country in East Europe for that matter, right? So technology enables you to scout for people who are doing a particular kind of work, and it enables you to connect with them, right? Whether through it's obvious. I think it's there on our face. We kind of probably delaying the action, but I think organizations who look at mobile first and not mobile as a subset of what they do will be really the winners in this race. I think many organizations are looking at platform, and mobile is a component of it. I think it is the other way around. I think you first start with mobile and then you see what else you need. And I'm not seeing that trend as much as I wish to see, because it is to me it's obvious. All of us are available on our mobile, and less you see browsing on internet on desktops. I think India especially in the HR space, is a very evolved market, and it's a late entrant when it comes to technology, but it's also a great opportunity because there are no legacies. So many organizations in India do not really have a very strong HR technology backbone. That also creates a great opportunity, because that means you can actually consume products that are much more advanced, because you don't have legacies, you don't have integration issues. So it's kind of a leapfrogging opportunity. And I think the market is ready, and we're seeing it both in terms of the number of product companies which are coming to India, the level of excitement on service providers, and the readiness from the buyer perspective to start having a conversation about HR transformation and about using technology. It's technology for transforming the way we look at HR. From the employer perspective, the gap is to really understand that today's age is the candidate's age. Long are the days where you feel that you are the employer and you have all the power. The power is with the candidate. So how is your hiring experience? How do you look at the unified brand across the recruitment process, whether that person gets hired or not, right? So I think there is a huge gap on understanding that you're the employer, but the candidate is the king and queen, not you.